Today I will teach you chapter 9 from your course book Divide and Aid. Divide and Aid means whatever we have, we should divide it and then we should eat it. What means baat kar khana. It's clear? Now let us begin. Once upon a time, there were two brothers, and though they were twins, they were very different. Now, before explaining this chapter, I would like to tell you this chapter is about two twins brothers who were very different, not only by personality but also by nature. Now, let us begin. Once upon a time, there were two brothers. Though they were twins, they were very different. While Ramesh was well built, cheerful, and always ready to help people in need, and Suresh was thin, quiet, and miser. However, there were the two twins brothers who were very different to each other. Their name was Ramesh and Suresh. Ramesh was very strong and he has a strong, large and a strong personality, and he was also very cheerful and always ready to help other person. In spite of this, Suresh was very quiet person, very calm person, and he was miser. Miser means who didn't like to spend his money, जो अपने पैसे खर्च करना नहीं चाहते, कंजूस. So Suresh was very quiet and the miser. The brothers did not get along well each other, and spent all their time quarreling. So one thing is that whenever they try to spend their time together, they start quarreling to each other. When they were 20 years old, they decided to leave their place and go to the big city and make a living. And when they became of 20 years old, then they decided to leave the village in search of job. So both of them decided to go to the big city where they can easily find job. It was a hot day when they were reached a huge banana tree standing under its rooting shade. They finally agreed on something, and they were very hungry, knowing when they would argue bitterly if they had to share their lunch. Their mother had packed 2 lunch boxes. So it was a very hot day. It was a time of summer, and day was very hot. So both of them were walking together, and after some time, they reached under the banyan tree, and they sit under a shade, and they finally agreed to do something. Agreed on something. Both of them very hungry. Hungry means वो बहुत दोनों भूखे थे, and they decided to share their food. Both washed their hands in the nearby stream and opened their boxes. And before eating their lunch, they washed their hands. And near the stream, they were in nadi type की जा रही थी. So they were in the stream and opened their boxes. To their surprise, they saw while Ramesh had been given 3 parathas, and there were only 2 in the Suresh tiffin. When both of them opened their lunch box, they were surprised. What they find in their lunch? Ramesh had been given 3 parathas, while in Suresh tiffin were only 2 parathas. And perhaps their mother thought Ramesh with his hearty appetite would need to eat more, because Ramesh's mother knew that he always felt hungry. He got hungry, and he need more food than the Suresh. So their mother kept 3 paratha in Ramesh's tiffin. But Suresh was very upset, and Suresh became very upset after looking the lunch box. As they were about to start eating, a traveler came up to them and said, "Brother, I am sorry to interrupt your meal, but I have lost my way. I am very hungry. I have money in my pocket, but where can I buy food in this forest? If you share your food with me, I will pay for it." As they were going to take their food, at the same time, our traveler was passing through them. एक जैसे ही वो खाना खाने जा रहे थे उसी समय एक ट्रैवल आया and he forgot his way and he was also very hungry, so he decided to take lunch with them. He asked both brothers, I sorry to interrupt you. I am very hungry and I have money, but there is no place where I can purchase the food. उसको मालूम कि जंगल में कोई भी ऐसी जगह नहीं थी जहाँ पे खाना मिलता. सो उसने बोला, कैन यू शेयर योर लंच विद मी? क्या तुम मेरे साथ अपना शेयर लंच कर सकते हो? एंड फॉर दिस आई विल गिव यू मनी. आई विल पे यू फॉर इट. उसने बोला कि अगर आप मुझे लंच शेयर करेंगे तो मैं इसके लिए आपको पैसे पे करूँगा. Suresh already readily agree, always happy to earn some money because Suresh was miser, so he always ready to earn money, and both of them became agreed for this. Ramesh nodded too, but because he felt sorry for the stranger and wanted to help him. The three settled down and divided up all the paratha among themselves, and all of them sat down and settled themselves, and they divided the paratha into three parts. Ramesh took 3 of them 5 pound and gave remaining 2 to his brother. When after eating lunch, he bid them thank you and gave them some money to them. You share your food with me, but when I was about to faint with hunger, I will take you leave now. So he told them, then when I was very hungry, if I will not get food, that time I will about to faint with hunger. Ramesh and he gave them 5 coins. Ramesh took the 3 of coins and gave 2 coins to Suresh. When Suresh got 2 coins, so he asked Ramesh, divide it equally. Now Ramesh smiled and said, I share 3 parathas. Why you share 2? तो रमेश ने उससे बोला कि मैंने अपने 3 पराठा, मेरे पास 3 पराठा थे, मैंने अपने 3 पराठा शेयर किए और तुमने सिर्फ 2 शेयर किए. Now, but if you are unhappy with this division, I don't mind giving you a half coin for my share. But I don't have any change at moment. When we reach city, I will give you remaining share. उसने बोला, if you are not agree for this, then leave it. I will give you half coin after reaching city. But Suresh was not in mood to wait. Suresh was not ready to wait for half an coin. I want my coin right just now. And he said, मुझे अभी अपना पैसा चाहिए. I want my coin just now. Now Ramesh went to another traveler who was dodging under the tree and perhaps listening their arming. When he was not agree for that, the Ramesh went to a traveler who was lying under the tree and he was listening both arguments, and he said, I have heard everything. You cannot get 3 coins. उसने उनसे बोला कि मैंने तुम्हारे सारे आर्गुमेंट्स सुन लिया है. You can't get 3 coins. तुम्हें 3 coins नहीं मिल सकते. Ramesh if you want, I can work out exactly how much each one you should get. अगर आप चाहते हो, then I will give you exactly point whatever you will get. Ramesh and Suresh agreed and they would share the coin exactly as the man said. Man sat up straight and told them, listen me carefully. Now he told them, the two of you together have 5 paratha. कि आप दोनों के पास 5 पराठे थे. When stranger joined you, then there were 3 of you, and if you divided each paratha into 3 pieces, that makes 15 pieces in all. उसने बताया कि रमेश के पास 3 पराठे थे और उसने इसको तीनों पराठों को अगर पीसेस में बांटा, 3 पीसेस में एक पराठे को he divided 1 paratha into 3 pieces. He divided 1 paratha into 5 pieces. So he had 15 pieces. And Suresh had 2 parathas, and if he divided his paratha into 5 pieces, then he had only 10 pieces. Now each one of you get 5 pieces. Ramesh, from your 3 parathas, you have 9 pieces, and if you have 5 and give the stranger 4. They have divided the paratha into 3 pieces, each paratha into 3 pieces. So Ramesh have 9 pieces, and Suresh have 6 pieces. And he asked them, उसने बोला कि रमेश ने अपने 3 पराठे में से Suresh, from 2 parathas you have 6 pieces. Out of this 6 you ate 5 pieces and gave 1 to stranger. So man got 4 pieces from Ramesh and 1 from you. तो उसने बोला कि आपने सिर्फ एक पीस उसको दिया था ट्रैवलर को, and Ramesh had given 4 pieces. So 3 coins go to the Ramesh and 1 coin to you. Now to make a fair division of the 5 1 he gave Ramesh should get 4 coins and Suresh 1. Suresh was very upset about the division, and his share was even less now. And now Suresh became very upset because before he was getting 2 pieces, now 2 coins, but now 1 coin is less now. उसका 1 coin अब कम हो गया था, and he was very upset. But he had to agree. Why he had to agree? Because he had given them exact decision कि उसने इतने पराठे शेयर किए उसने इतने, so he had given them exact decision. Now both of them have to agree with the clever bit of the math. So that's all what we learned from this chapter. We should not be greedy. Whatever we should have, we should sacrifice in them. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.